It can be seen that the new car is a pure electric two-door sports car. The front face adopts a closed grille and a front lip with a distinct protruding style. The body is also designed with a large number of aerodynamic kits. The new car is expected to have a lower drag coefficient. When viewed from the side, the car has a low stance, black windows and the same color roof are integrated, and it is equipped with large-sized multi-spoke low-drag rims. The rear of the car adopts a T-shaped taillight similar to the headlight shape, and the slightly upward ducktail and wide black lower surround further enhance the sporty atmosphere of the whole car. The interior design this time is quite bold. The simple cabin is equipped with a bracket-type multi-function steering wheel. In the middle of the center console, there is a large-sized floating touchscreen decorated with water blue elements. The traditional physical buttons and knobs are omitted, and the overall feeling is very technological and futuristic. It is worth noting that due to the influence of the body structure, the roofline contour is tilted downward at a large angle, which can directly affect the headroom of the rear passengers.